Hey guys, welcome to Lifebuilds. In today's episode, we are finally doing the $1,000 motorcycle challenge. This is going to be a really fun one. We have Colby's 2019 SSR Motorsports pit bike. We have my 1991 Husqvarna TE350. And finally, we have George's 2001 Honda Reflex 250 moped. We're going to be taking these on a 100-mile road trip starting today. We're going to go about 20 miles up this mountain. We're going to camp the night. It's going to be really fun. It's supposed to start raining, potentially snowing. So that could be really a big change of plans. But this is gonna be a really good one. And then tomorrow we're gonna finish the challenge. So make sure to stay tuned because this one is gonna be really fun. If you guys haven't already, make sure to tap that subscribe button because we're going to be doing a lot of content like this. I got tons of fun videos coming throughout the year. We got snowmobiling season coming around the corner. We have new cars on the channel. It's going to be a really good one. But let me show you around what we're taking on this trip. So this is my 2008 Ford Expedition, which I also picked up for $1,000. We have a top box with a bunch of colors on it. We have all of our motorcycle gear up here for the three of us. We have 5 of us going in the car, and then George, since he has the only road legal thing, he's gonna be driving his moped all the way there. Coming around to the back, we still have to put all of this in and 2 more people's gear in. We have Colby's pit bike tucked in the back here with gear tucked in both sides. We have to fit all that, and then we have my bike with Colby sitting on it, going right on the back. So I'll show you once we have everything loaded up, and then we're gonna get started on this wonderful adventure. Here we're looking at the final packing, and we have the little pit bike in there. We have all the gear packed around it. This bike's going on the back. Top box is completely full. And the next clip you see will be us at the trailhead for our 100-mile road trip. We'll catch you guys there. Alrighty guys, here we have made it here to the entrance of Tigers Canyon. This is gonna be really fun.
Oh yeah.
How are your thoughts, George? He had to ride his moped all the way out here.
Off-road machine. Little did you know, that was a dirt track champion in 2012. So.
Oh yeah?
Honda Reflex. Honda's really, they branched out. So.
Oh, wow. Well, he was cornering harder than I would have on street tires, so I was pretty impressed. Spirits are high. Colby, what are your thoughts?
I'm going to dominate.
Or compensate.
Or dominate or compensate. He brought a towel. He's got 100 miles on the most uncomfortable bike. So we're going to get the bikes unloaded, and we'll throw you guys on some GoPros, and we'll get this challenge started.
There you go. There we go.
Woo! So now we start the process of unloading literally everything out of the back of this Ford Expedition, so we can find the little tiny pit bike that's tucked way back in there.
Does that tell anybody?
I wasn't hiding it. Oops. Your question.
Yeah, I might need a team for that one.
There you go. So we can put your back. Here's Colby's bike. know one downside about wearing these clothes is all the bugs think I'm a flower. See? He almost said it.
Your butt shaking?
So we've made about 10-15 miles up the trail, and so far the bikes are doing really good. Colby, how are you doing on your bike?
Killing it.
Killing it. How about you?
Are you kidding? Your reflex is destroying these folks.
So we're taking a moment just to make sure our bikes are still in one piece, and then we're looking at the view. We're going to continue on, and the next stop will be at our campsite. I think when we get down on the main road, we're going to switch over, and each person's going to try a different bike. Give me a wheelie. Alrighty, so I get to drive Colby's SSR Motorsports 2019 pit bike. George's gonna ride my Husqvarna TE350.
I don't know what this is.
And Colby's gonna ride a 2001 Honda Reflex that belongs to George. There you go. My ass hurts already.
My ass is like on foreplay right now.
Already helmet cam. We are switching bikes for the final time. So George is going on the pit bike, Colby's going on my Husqvarna, and I'm going on George's moped. So this is gonna be fun. Oh, this is like a couch. Oh, hell yeah. Oh man. Oh, this is so comfy. What the heck? This is so nice. Look at this, I'm just chilling. Look at this, this is so fun. Oh, don't bottom her out. Alrighty guys, we have made it here to our campsite for the night. It's a pretty nice little area. Got the main road right over there. Got the trusty Ford Expedition. George and Colby are setting up the tent. I'm gonna help them in a second. And then we have the beautiful ladies, also known as our film crew and support. This is Libby, George's girlfriend. This is Zoya, my girlfriend. And this is Maddie, Colby's wife. And you guys are getting to watch it from the front row seat. What is your experience so far?
I mean, I have literal dust in my mouth. Like, it's grinding in between my teeth. But it's a lot of fun to watch you guys mob around. I think it's a really good time.
Okay. What about you?
Lung cancer now.
Lung cancer.
Out of 10. But, I mean, the moped's fun to watch, but someone's going to go off the side. Yikes.
Okay, and Libby, how are you doing?
You know, I said 8 in the beginning. You know, now I gotta say it's out of 10.
It's a 10? A 10 out of 10. You guys heard that. That's pretty good.
Which one was your favorite?
The scooter. The scooter by far.
What was so good about it?
It was double plush leather on your butt cheeks. I was going 55 and I felt so comfortable. I felt like I think that's actually the fastest vehicle here. I don't know. We're gonna have to race that in the dirt bike because it's really close.
All right.
This thing is guts. No guts. This thing,
It's here for the looks.
yeah. Michael literally looks like a clown because he's colorful and he's on the smallest bike there is. Oh, it's so funny. I love seeing him in the rearview mirror of the scooter.
What was your favorite?
Oh, my favorite? I'd have to go with the moped. That moped is something else. I didn't think it could be that comfortable, but it's literally like riding a couch off-road. Besides being worried about bottoming it out, amazing. The most uncomfortable bike I rode today was this bad girl. And I'd say ultimate, that one because it's mine.
Which one was your favorite?
Oh, dude, it's Rhonda the scooter by far. Are you kidding? This thing is a freaking monster. I have a horn, I got mirrors, I got storage. What do these punks have? They don't even have an electric starter.
Four up.
4 up, and all the way down.
Yeah, Zoya.
There you go. Just doing really well. So we just finished setting up the tent. Now we're gonna cook a little bit of food and then we will catch you guys in the morning.
You just farted.
Mid-air too. That was a fart and run, bro.
What's cooking? The boys.
So as you can tell, we're having hot dogs for dinner, and we're also having these Hawaiian barbecue chips. Every camping trip we've gone on, we've had hot dogs for dinner on Friday night, We always have chips. We just don't go anywhere without them. So that's kind of a staple. And then tomorrow morning, we're gonna have breakfast burritos. And we also do that every single time. So if you have any suggestions for really good meals that are pretty simple, make sure to throw them in the comments below because we really could use some other suggestions. Alrighty, we've just had dinner. Really good. They're snacking on some chips. George is getting us a little fire going, and it is now too dark to film, so we will catch you guys in the morning. Okay, so I'm in the middle of editing this video, and I realized we're about 17 minutes into the video, and I haven't even reached tomorrow morning. You see, tomorrow we have about 50 miles worth of riding. We got 3 challenges, we got a bunch of stuff going on, and this vlog could be 45 minutes to an hour long. I don't want to do that to you guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to make this a 2-part series, and we're going to catch you guys in a few days when we finish editing part 2 of this video. So make sure to smash that subscribe button, throw a like on this video, share it to your friends if you found it amusing. Comment down below your favorite breakfast ideas because we're definitely going to need a few suggestions like that. And I'll catch you guys in a few days.